Hey, gamers! Welcome back. Today, we've got an exciting video for all you budget-conscious gamers out there. We're diving into the top gaming monitors under 10,000 rupees. Yes, you heard that right, gaming excellence on a budget. Before we jump into the reviews, let's quickly talk about what you should look for in a gaming monitor under 10K. Remember, the right monitor can make or break your gaming experience. Refresh rate. Aim for at least 75 Hz for smooth gameplay. Resolution. 1080p is the sweet spot in this budget. Panel type. IPS for great colors, or TN for faster response times. Response time. Lower is better for reducing ghosting. Acer ED240Q. 23.6-inch LED monitor with 1080p Full HD backlit LED curved monitor with VA panel. Acer Nitro QG221Q. 21.5-inch monitor with Full HD gaming monitor with LED backlight, VA panel. 1 mega Siemens response and 100 Hz refresh rate. Stereo speakers with 250 nits brightness and AMD FreeSync with eye care protection. ViewSonic VA2215H Full HD 1080p monitor with 22-inch backlit display gaming monitor. AMD FreeSync, 75 Hz refresh rate, 3-side borderless design. MSI Pro MP223. 21.45-inch Full HD office monitor with 1080 VA panel, 100 HD refresh rate, eye-friendly screen, VESA mountable. Samsung 24-inch FHD monitor with 75 Hz refresh rate, curved monitor, VA panel, slim design. AMD FreeSync, game mode, flicker-free. Before we wrap up, make sure to like this video if you found it helpful. Subscribe to our channel for more awesome gaming and PC-related content, and hit that notification bell so you never miss another update. Thank you so much for watching.